You see these beautiful pears? How about we drown them in chocolate and olive oil and make this cake? Oh, and it's gluten-free as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited. Today we're gonna make an absolutely stunning, like decadent chocolate cake with pears. As you can see, I have quite a variety of pears, and we're gonna utilize them today. This cake is gluten-free, it's lactose-free, it's just ridiculously simple to make because you just kind of chuck in ingredients into your stand mixer. And yeah, it's a showstopper. Whenever like my guests or my friends see it, they just go crazy because it really is just beautiful. Let's get started. What do we need to make this? I like this little array of like ceramic bowls and cups that I have going on. I don't know where my usual plates are. As I mentioned, it's gluten-free. So what we're gonna use today is a mixture of rice flour and a little bit of almond flour. It's a chocolate cake, so we're gonna use a lot of cocoa powder. This is gonna keep it lactose-free because a lot of chocolate bars that you purchase have a lot of ingredients in them, some of which are lactose. And butter, we're gonna skip and use olive oil. Now it's important to get the one that is perfect for cooking. You don't wanna use that good salad stuff with a really strong flavor because again, it will really, you will really taste it in the cake itself. We definitely need a pinch of salt to kind of bring all the flavors together. And I'm gonna use some brown sugar, a couple of eggs, and that's it. Now all we need to do is throw it into the stand mixer, and this guy's gonna do all the dirty work. Yeah, let's get cooking. Isn't she a beauty? I mean, look, you don't have to pre-cook the pears. It's just a small list of quite basic ingredients that you add to one stand mixer and voila, like this beauty's born. Let me know if you like it in the comments below. If you have any questions, again, in the comments. I look forward to seeing you back at my channel, so subscribe. Let's give it a try. I personally love to have a small piece of pear with every single bite. It has this crunchy, crispy like exterior. It's soft and kind of browny and chewy in the middle. And the olive oil really adds some flavor It's moist. I don't know, I think it's just delicious. Give it a try. See you soon.